Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change wraps in Fortnite. To change wraps, click here on the locker icon, then wraps, and now you can choose a wrap for all of these different kinds of wraps. So let's first change the special wrap. You can click on special wrap, then if you have different ones available, you can choose from one of them or a random one, then click on equip. And if you want to change more wraps, then you can click here on assault rifle wrap, shotgun wrap, SMG wrap, sniper wrap, pistol wrap, and misc wrap. And whenever you change it, just click on equip, and then it's saved. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.